This is James with WSTrades.com. I want to provide an update here on ticker EBET or Ebet. So massive dump here, down 11% on the day. And no surprise, I don't expect these prices to hold. If this thing does go on another pump and retest this 9-cent level, maybe makes it back to 10 or 11 cents, I definitely do not expect those prices to hold. I think this is just pump and dump price action here. This company is in a lot of trouble financially. They're like defaulting on loans, so they can't even pay their existing debt, and then they're taking out more debt, so they are in a lot of trouble here. And NASDAQ wants to delist them as well. So if they want to stay on NASDAQ, they're going to have to do a reverse split because their financials are like really, really bad. So let's take another look in here really quick in Yahoo Finance at some of these statistics here. Profit margin, negative 138%, just brutal. Operating margin, not the worst we've seen, but still not good over the last 12 months at negative 20%. Return on assets, negative 11% the last 12 months. Return on equity is absolutely horrendous. The last 12 months, negative 1,100%. You can see quarterly revenue growth year over year, down 56%, not good. EBITDA sitting at negative 3.19 million, and the earnings are pretty ugly. If you look at diluted EPS, they have lost $5.05 a share the last 12 months, so that is pretty brutal. Their cash position based on the most recent quarter is pretty tough at only 1.44 million. When you see their operating cash flow the last 12 months is negative 10 million. They've got negative common stock equity based on the most recent quarter, so book value per share is in the negative here. So no surprise they're sitting around the 6-cent mark because these shares are not even worth a penny in the positive. So negative book value here. And this current ratio is maybe the worst current ratio we've ever seen on any stock we've covered on this channel. We've seen some bad ones, but 0.08, that is pathetic. So again, they're defaulting on loans, they're taking out additional debt when they can't even pay the debt that they already have. This company is in a lot of trouble, and this is just a target of retail here, trying to pump and dump and try to do some kind of a short squeeze on it. But let's take a look here really quick. As of August 31st, the percentage of the float that was shorted is not even that high though. It's only at 4.77%. So to be honest, there's not that many shares shorted. So I really don't see this thing going on any kind of a pump, any kind of massive moves. If they don't get some more short interest, because 4 to 5% of the float being shorted, that's not enough to create a short squeeze. And I know there's some people out there that'll probably say that's a lie and that's not true, and there's 1,000,000% short interest or some imaginary number. Whatever. If there was, we would probably see much bigger moves than we're seeing right now, which was about 100% move or so, 150% move. If we get some higher short interest in there, maybe this thing can go on some bigger pumps than what we've seen so far. If we go to the daily time frame here, let's kind of zoom into the tail end. You can see they went from 2 cents up to 11 cents, which is pretty good, to be honest. That's a pretty good move right there. But lately we're going from about 4 cents up to about 8 cents, so about 100% pump here. But again, this is just pump and dump, scam stock here, scam company, bleeding, hemorrhaging a ton of money. Definitely not a long-term hold here. Jesus, thing is down over 13% right now. So again, if you're trying to catch one of these little pumps, make sure you get out before the rug gets pulled, because this company is in a lot of trouble. Now it's down 14% on the day. So I'll continue to keep you updated here on ticker EBET or Ebet. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.